Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. For my January bullet journal, I'm using a line art flower theme. Today I'm sharing my line art floral bullet journal weekly setup. I made 2 botanical line art sticker printables that I will use in this setup. I like that I can color these line art stickers whenever I want. I can use colored pencils for the coloring, but I also have the option to leave them uncolored. I will also be using my mini months and the days of the week sticker for this weekly page setup. And I will be using micron ink pens and the gray and the light green markers. Now let's get started. I'm creating my first weekly spread. I'm making 7 boxes for the days of the week. Then I'm sticking the mini days of the week stickers on the bottom of each box. I'm placing the line art floral stickers on the half bottom of the page. I will color in the flowers with markers while planning my tasks, which will be a fun process. Here is my second weekly spread. I have got some free printables for you. I have made a 13-page floral planner kit, a 2-page self-care planner, a sunset theme planner, a mood tracker, and a lot more. If you haven't already, make sure to download them by clicking on the free download link down below. I'm creating all the flower line art stickers together on the top of the right page. I found that this layout gives me a lot of space to write down my tasks each day. What do you think of black and white designs? Have you ever tried it in your bullet journal before? Here is my third weekly spread. I'm designing 8 boxes on these 2 pages, leaving 1 box for floral decoration. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. I'm always looking for ways to improve, and your input is greatly appreciated. I would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. I'm also adding a wreath floral sticker on the top of these 2 pages. I think it looks simple and elegant. That's it for the third weekly spread. Moving on, this is 4th weekly spread, and I'm loving the layout design. It's so lively and interesting. If you are into bullet journaling, you should definitely check out my Instagram. I post every page of my journal there, and you can find the link in the video description. I'm adding some floral stickers in different spaces to give it some movement and an open feel. What do you think about it? Are you into designing layouts that are a little bit different and not so regular in format? I'm curious to know your preference. Please let me know what you think about this new thing. Have you tried a line art thing before? This is the last weekly spread. I'm placing all the weekdays at the bottom half of the pages, and then adding beautiful floral line art stickers on the top. I love designing this way because it turns my weekly spread into a work of art. I'm having a lot of fun creating it. Do you prefer to have a lot of space for decorations or small, subtle touches here or there? This is the final flick through. I hope you got some inspiration for your own journal or planner. Please check out these new floral line art themed printables. The link is down below. I hope you will enjoy using them as much as I did. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!